This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Fonseca. Welcome home to this gorgeous violet floor plan that shows like a model. Pool and lake views that will leave lasting impressions. This is your chance to view this tastefully decorated move-in ready home in Botanica Lakes. Offering over 2,600 square feet of living space with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Tons of builder and owner upgrades make this home complete. You will be amazed by your very own gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, counter height breakfast bar, black stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, wood cabinets with crown molding, and undermount lighting. Solid concrete block home with gutters all the way around, which is not offered in all homes in Botanica Lakes. Flooring consists of porcelain tile on a diagonal on the first floor and carpet on the second floor. Extended driveway which allows for 3 cars to park. Botanica Lakes offers amenities that include a fabulous courtyard-style clubhouse and a 7-acre recreation area that features a social hall, fitness center, children's activity center, aerobics studio, resort-style pool, water play area, tennis, and basketball. Botanica Lakes features over 100 acres of open space and natural preserves and 32 acres of lakes. For more information, review the details below.